Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2023 Toyota Sienna LE. You can see with the key fob here I can operate both power sliding doors. This is a brand new rear entry conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip, and I can take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate the super wide 38-inch ramp with ease. It's got the, if someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out of your vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and then more affordable for you to convert. A few of the reasons I prefer the rear over the side, and that 38-inch wide ramp is about 8 inches wider than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this might be the answer for you. 800-pound weight capacity. Does taper down to about a little over 36 inches here of width where the ramp sits. 57 inches coming inside, and 57 once you're inside the van. The ramp channel is 80 inches deep. I do know one of our competitors sells one that's a few inches shorter than ours. If you're trying to get 2 inches, 2 chairs in there at the same time, every inch counts. We've got the deepest cut conversion right here. 8 tie-down points. You can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Headliner's in great shape. You got your rear air controls, got your plugs in the back for your passengers in the rear, and the cup holders. Upgraded Q-straight tie-downs. We throw those in at no additional charge to you. Got our jump seats here. We could even possibly put a bench seat in here that'll hold 3. Put a wheelchair behind it, and that bench seat will flip up out of the way when it's not in use to clear the entire canal. We can possibly put a 3rd row flip base seat in here, flips up and down, so you can haul 6 people plus a chair. My point is, let us know your measurements. Let us know how many people you're trying to haul. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Got the Q-straight tie-down and information and warranty there. Cup holders and electronics for the passengers in the rear. Real nice center console there. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Dual climate control. And you can, of course, shut all the doors up here, which we'll do now. And as you exit the vehicle, just reverse the process to get everything all buttoned up and ready to roll. Again, 1 finger, that's all it takes. Clamp her down, and you're on your way. Now, our van comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do. That's fine. That's what they get paid to say. What else are they going to say? But ask them what their warranty is. Most of them are going to tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles. So if their stop's at 36,000 miles, ours goes unlimited. You tell me who has the better built conversion. So this van only got 200 miles on it. It's essentially brand new. So there's not a whole lot to show you as far as any damage or nicks or scratches, and that's a good thing, obviously. So brand new condition. We purchased this up at auction. What they do, these Toyotas are hard to come by, so people will buy them, register them, and then resell them, make a little bit of money on them. So it's just really hard to find new chassis, especially on these Toyotas right now. So that's why people say, why would someone sell that for 200 miles? Well, they probably bought it and probably made some money on it. Took it over to auction and made a little bit of money on it. So that's how that works. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video, not just a picture, a video of the VIN number on the side of the vehicle, on the window, the sticker down here. And the reason is, that means the vehicle's here in my possession. This is not some internet scam, that I've got it right here with me, so make sure you get a video of that. All right, well, we do with that VIN number, a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. You can see Carfax has 1 owner, no accidents or damage. They've got the well-maintained vehicle. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. It's obviously no accidents, clean title. No structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and this does meet the specs to be also under the 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty from Toyota, along with the 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty from Toyota as well. And no matter who you do business with, look them up online, check out their reviews and ratings. Find us on eBay, 1,448 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's great reviews. And no matter who you do business with, find them up, look them up online, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're sending your money to a real company so you're not getting scammed. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. I hear people all the time talk to me about how they found someone on Facebook with a deal that was too good to be true, They end up buying from a complete stranger with no reputation. They buy a complete lemon. They get scammed out of their life savings. I promise you, these scammers do this every single day. They know what they're doing. You better know what you're doing if you're going to buy from a private individual. Or they end up buying from one of these dealers a lot of times out there on the East Coast, selling the rust buckets and flood damage. Get the 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews on their Google reviews, you know, and I look those companies up, and they end up buying a van with frame damage they didn't know about, salvage title, flood damage, mechanical issues, you name it. I've heard it all. So if you want business, if you want 1 and 2 and 3 star vans, you know, shop from them. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to speaking with you. All right, back to the van. We do have the one key fob. We got the emergency key right there. Toyota is having supply chain issues. It's hard to get a second key for these things, so that's why a brand new vehicle, dang near, only comes with 1 key. We've even got a memo from Toyota stating that. So yeah, they're hard to get 2 keys right now. But the interior, just like the rest of the vehicle, brand new condition. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors. Still got the new car smell on it. And if you want to use this van for commercial uses, you can always hit the power door off button if you choose right there. These doors become manual sliding doors. They'll open and shut quickly without putting any wear and tear on the motors. So nice clean van. Got the power driver's seat as well. I like the push button start on these, so if the key is in your pocket or your purse, you just get in and put your foot on the brake, push start button there, fires right up. Obviously no check engine lights on, no airbag, none of that. We got a full tank of fuel, and the odometer on this, here we go, focus, 234 miles. Not 234,000, 234. Got a backup camera. This has the lane departure warning, the blind spot monitors, the brake assist. You know, if you come up on somebody, you're gonna rear end them, it'll slow you down, stop you. I'm gonna show you the power mirrors and windows all work. Power windows, we test the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering. Just because this van is nearly brand new, it did not skip the inspection line. We inspect everything thorough, and I hope you can tell by our videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood, we got a little hybrid engine. I think a 2.5, I believe it is. You can't even hear these things running, but it's very clean. No signs of any damage or leaks. These little suckers get 36 miles a gallon on the highway. So, and if you're running a business, imagine cutting your fuel cost in half. How much money would that save you? Or if you're out on the West Coast and fuel's up there $5, $6 a gallon, well, you get to cut it in half. So that's a big plus. And that's the number one. As I crawl underneath the vehicle, you can see no signs of any damage or leaks, no frame damage, no rust. And that's the number one mistake people make when they buy vehicles. Even if they're dang near new, they assume things. They assume that it's got a clean title. They assume it hasn't been in a bad accident. I've seen vehicles with literally 5 miles on them, 5. They've gotten a wreck, you know, and had a bad accident, and people piece it back together. So don't assume things, and I don't assume things for sure. And I want you to check out my competition. I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm buying from a reputable dealer? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know the vehicle I'm purchasing has a clean title, no major accidents or damage or flood? Do they get down on their hands and knees and show you not only pictures of the undercarriage, but a detailed video? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are in showing you exactly the vehicle you're going to get, please compare me to the competition. And you know what ends up happening if you buy a vehicle that has frame damage, whether it's from an accident, whether it's from a flood, it may not pass inspection in your state. If you buy a vehicle that won't pass inspection in your state, you just bought a paperweight, okay? So you bought a vehicle you can't drive. So to avoid that, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Is someone really gonna ask you to spend $60,000, $70,000, $80,000 without ever seeing the van and not get out and make a detailed video like this? That's absurd. Second thing is demand a Carfax report, not some cheap knockoff. I know Carfaxes are expensive. We spend thousands of dollars a month in Carfaxes, but I do that because I want to know what I'm buying, and more importantly, I want you to know what you're getting. Third, we touched on this earlier, as a buyer, you have the responsibility to do your due diligence. Get online to find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation, check out their reviews, make sure they are a real company, and then finally demand a warranty. Every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty, and we stand behind our product. We make sure of that. Do not risk buying as is. Demand a warranty. So let's get it out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. Feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive the Sienna home. We've done our due diligence, we've made sure it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problem. It's got my lane departure warning there, so that little yellow blinking at me, letting me know if someone's in my blind spot. It's got the blind spot monitor is what that was. I'm sorry. Lane departure will actually keep me in my lane. If I start to drift, it'll pull me back into my lane. So here I get over here, come back, basically pulls me back into the right. So bounce me in between my lines here, won't let me come out of my lane. And like I mentioned, it's got the stop assist. So if this black truck in front of me stops real fast and I'm not paying attention, the van will stop me itself. So a lot of great safety features to have, whether it's for your business or your loved ones or yourself. You cannot afford an accident, and of course people's safety is also way more important than a piece of machinery. And do keep in mind, we do have the meets all the specs for the factory bumper-to-bumper warranty, along with the powertrain warranty and the conversion warranty. So the van's covered front, back, top to bottom, you're set to go. We do sell long-term warranties as well. They go all up to 8 years. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they have a real nice price online. What they've hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got a document fee, they got a tag fee, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have is free shipping. So once you add up all their hidden fees, once you add up the shipping fees, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end, hidden in the fine print, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I don't know. I just know in any business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video right now, and especially in the used car business. Trust me, transparency is where it's at. So be aware, if someone's not being honest and upfront from the get-go, there's a really, really good chance there's other things they're hiding. So be aware of that when you're not shopping. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. If texting is easier for you, here's my cell phone, 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my personal cell phone number. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, you're sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, reach out to me. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, no pressure here. I'm going to sell the Sienna whether you buy it or not, so absolutely zero pressure sales going on over here. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but there's a lot to see, and it's a big investment, so I want you to know everything there is to see about this van. If you could give us a like on the YouTube channel here, a thumbs up, we'd really appreciate that. That would help us out. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see all of our upcoming inventory. And if you ever do want to come in to see a vehicle, please make an appointment with me. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. Sometimes I'm out doing these videos. I'm at auction. We've got other customers. So you have to make an appointment. We stay so busy, but we'd be more than happy to spend some time with you. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.